How a traditional cigarette is made. 1. Tobacco selection. 1. Tobacco leaves are harvested and cured, dried. 2. Then they're aged and sometimes blended to create specific flavors or strengths, Virginia, Burley, Oriental types, etc. 2. Tobacco processing. 1. Leaves are shredded into fine strands. 2. Sometimes additives are mixed in, to preserve freshness or alter flavor and burn rate. 3. Rolling paper. 1. Cigarette paper is a special lightweight paper that burns slowly. 2. Often includes a filter section at one end, made from cellulose acetate, a kind of plastic, to reduce harshness. 4. Filter attachment. 1. Filters are attached using glue and paper tipping, the wrapper that binds the filter to the tobacco part. 5. Rolling or filling. 1. In factories, machines roll or fill the tobacco into tubes and cut them into uniform lengths. 2. Manually, people can use rolling papers, tobacco, and filters to hand roll a cigarette. 6. Packaging. 1. Factory-made cigarettes are packed in boxes with health warnings. 2. They are usually sealed in foil to preserve freshness. Health warning: cigarette smoking is a major cause of preventable disease and death worldwide. It's linked to 1. Lung cancer. 2. Heart disease. 3. Respiratory problems. 4. Stroke. Even knowing how cigarettes are made, it's important to understand the risks they carry.